About 2-3 weeks ago, I purchased a 17-inch Blackstone Griddle tabletop model. I really like it. After I seasoned it, I've made breakfast on it, I've made some street tacos, I've made hamburgers, I've done a little bit of almost everything. I thought I would like to try some enchiladas, so I prepared the chicken inside and had it ready, so I just went out and fired up the grill. Now this thing gets hot. I've got it on low and I'm trying to get it cooled down, but it's a hot day too, so. What I should have done here is fried the tortillas in the oil first and then put the sauce in it, and it'd been easier to handle. Well, I admit I made a mistake here, but they turned out really good. They tasted good. And the next time, I'll do it a little different, and they'll turn out a little better, hopefully. I used chicken breast here, one large chicken breast, and I prepared it inside on the stove in my cast iron skillet, and I basically steamed it more than anything. Let it partly steam and boil through water there a little bit with some seasonings on it. And once it was finished and cooled down, I shredded it and covered it in a bowl and brought it out to the griddle with me. So then all I had to do is put the tortillas in the sauce, place it on the griddle, put the chicken on it and fold them, and then I'm done. So it kind of went a little quick there, really. Now our toppings and all were in the house on the table already, so once we finished up the enchiladas here, we took them inside, and the wife and I sat down to a meal of enchiladas. Hey, this is something you can take on a picnic, throw it in your car if you're traveling somewhere. It don't take up any more room than a small suitcase. Now this is one of the newer 17-inch Blackstones, I believe, the Adventure Ready. The grease trap is in the back, which allows you to have full access to the griddle top. Now at this point, if I would have fried those tortillas before dipping them in the sauce, I believe frying them on each side would have helped them. Because it appears all it's doing really at this point is soaking up the sauce that I dipped them in. Now don't get me wrong, we made some good enchiladas here, and they turned out well, but it would have been easier if I'd have fried them first. Well, it looks like we're down to our last enchilada here. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this little old video, give it a thumbs up. And if you hadn't subscribed, subscribe and hit that notification bell for future notification. I'd like to thank each and every one for watching.